Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to Walmart again. I got the Hot Wheels Fire Department, guys, new for 2026. Hot Wheels Mass Trucks. And this case is complete. I have them all already. On to the next case. Name: Hot Wheels Fire Department, Truck Type, City, Strength to the Rescue, Crash Type, Bravest Basher. So, packaging, of course. Nice. Further ado, let's go and hit open. Oh, the tires are different. Okay, so we got the flame treads again back, and the Hot Wheels is different. It looks like graffiti, which is cool. Oh, this fire department, guys, and then this lifts up to reveal the engine at the bottom. Roll cage. Dark red rims and bead locks, black roll cage, yellow chassis. The front of it. The flames on the tires, and then the chrome little window. The bed, of course, it's plastic. There's the back of it. Pretty nice. So this case is complete. But I love the new Hot Wheels. Is that mounted on? The new Hot Wheels right there. Hot Wheels. It's a whole new tire carving. Pretty nice. There's a treasure hunt, Hot Wheels Fire Department. That's about it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share your cans, more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.